Hi YouTube, today we're gonna learn how to run C programming. So the first we're gonna create a project and let's go S code, and from S code we're gonna go new, and from new we're gonna make a new project. And we're gonna make command line, and from command line go next, and let's make a project for, and make sure make a language C, and then go next, and from next we're gonna create a project in desktop. So we go right here, desktop, and then create a project. Go right here. So let me show you what all I'm gonna explain you. Was like include std.h. This is like a library. So any like whoever like created the C programming, they write a lot the functionality. So any functionality we use it, like printf, all this functionality you see is a come from this stdstudio.h. So this one, any programming when you're writing in C programming, most likely you're gonna have that, because if you don't have that, all this functionality like int main, like all this is not gonna work. So we have to have that. It's like puzzle, like whoever created a C program, they like all functionality, and we just get it from there and then use it. So in next tutorial we're gonna dive in all like how we're gonna make our own std.h. But for now, all you have to know, when you have like C programming, you have to have that. Uh, Other than that, you can use all these function and functionality from it. And what is an int main? This is a function, so it's a main function. In the future video, we're gonna learn how to make our own function, but this one is a main function. Any code we write, it has to come between this bracket. Other than that, if you go writing like right here out of the bracket, is not gonna work, because the C program, all program is run from here, and an int and a main, I mean was int, what's the return. In the future video when we learn how to make our own function, I'm gonna teach you guys. For right now, all I want you guys know, this is main function, and any code we write is gonna come between here. This is for today, you all have to know that. So how is a program run? So when is a program run, is it come from top to down and from left to right. So let me show you guys, give you a quick example. So the print, what's a print? It is print when we writing, when we want to see something in the console, in right down here. So the print, anything you write between right here is gonna show down here, it's gonna print right here. So the print is like to show what is it we are writing here, is gonna show here like when we use a run. So I just want to show, give the examples. That's my password. So it's gonna write, is a print right here. So anything we write in between here is gonna print right here. So is this the one? So let's put another print right here, 2, and put another print down there, 3. So I'm gonna explain you why I write that. So when is a program is run, so as I said, is a between all this bracket is a work, is a like right here. So the first come here, number 11, actually this is nothing. So 11 nothing, 12 nothing, 13, they come here, they see this is a function like print, is gonna print whatever is between here, is a print 1, and then is a come right, is see 2, is gonna print 2, and then come down at the 14, there is nothing. At the 15, they come here, they see 3, and print 3, and then come right here, there is nothing, and then count 16, 17, 18, 18 is a return, and then is a close the program. So if we run that, it should print 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So as you see, is a 1, 2, 3. So this, in this tutorial, all I want to explain you guys, like included studio, any program has to have that because it's a library. If you don't have that, we can run this program. So any program in C is a run between the main function, which is int, like this is int and main, this is function, like between bracket, return. Any program you write, even in the future, everything has to come between this bracket. So in the next video, like next feature video, we can write a function out of this bracket, but we have to call between here. If we don't, it's not gonna run. And program is right from up to down and from left to right. So as I show you in from this example. So this is for today, and I will see you in next tutorial, and take care, have a great day, bye.